Hey guys, so I'm back with another tutorial. So I'm going in with my Juvias Place concealer and I'm going to use that as my base for my eyeshadow. I'm just tapping that in, and then I use the Makeup by Yolondo palette by Melissa, and I'm taking that hot pink shade for my crease color, and I'm going to be creating a wing with that, as well as blending that with a yellow eyeshadow. So the yellow eyeshadow from the palette, I use this palette for all the looks guide, every shade, and then I use this berry shade and the black shade as well from the palette to dip in my crease, blend that out, and then I went in with the gold and rose gold shade. I put the rose gold in the middle of my lid, and then I went in with the berry shade just to give my eyes that transition effect. Then I used the Pat Mcgrath packaging sequins. I flipped them and cut them in half, and then I flipped them just to put them on. I don't know if you understand, but I flipped one and then put the other one the other way, flipped one, put the other one the other way. That's what I did. And then I used my Omas eyelashes, and that's it. And then we're going to be using the Beauty Blender Bounce foundation in 4.35. I like using this foundation with my Beauty Blender. It's just perfect and I love the finish. And then I'm going to be contouring with my Juvias Place J3, it's the dark one, and then highlighting with J12 as well. And just want to blend that out. And then I use my Anastasia powder in translucent, and then the crayon case blush binder. I love this blush binder, guys, it's amazing. So I just put that, and then I use my Beats by Deb highlighter, and I think this is the pink one. I'll put the list in the description bar. And then I use my Nightmoth and my milk lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and my NYX butter gloss in marshmallow. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.